China Everbright Environment Group Limited, formerly known as China Everbright International Limited, is a backbone enterprise of China Everbright Group Limited, listed on the main board of the Stock Exchange of Hong Kong Limited. Everbright Environment operates with higher efficiency and vitality with its identity as a foreign enterprise and demonstrates stronger responsibility and strengths with its nature as a central state-owned enterprise. China Everbright Group is a large state-owned financial conglomerate with business presence across China and the world. It is at the forefront of China's reform for opening up to the outside world, and also a key pioneer throughout China's effort to develop financial holding groups. In 2018, China Everbright Group put forward the 433 strategic deployment, in which Everbright Environment has been positioned as the top deployment as to become a world-leading ecological and environmental company. In 2003, as China attached great importance to environmental protection, Everbright Environment forayed into the industry. Over the past 18 years, the company has been dedicated to creating better investment value and undertaking more social responsibility, and therefore, it has established a golden brand in the green world. Now Everbright Environment has become the largest environmental protection enterprise in China and a world-class environmental group. Since 2003, the compound annual growth rate of total assets reached 29%. CAGR of revenue was 44%. CAGR of profit attributable to shareholders of the company was 32%. The company has invested in more than 450 projects that command a total investment exceeding 140 billion RMB and are located in more than 200 cities, counties, and districts across over 20 provinces, autonomous regions, and municipalities in China. The company has also expanded its business to overseas markets such as Germany, Poland, and Vietnam, supporting the Green Belt and Road development. Everbright Environment adheres to its original aspiration to and mission of being devoted to ecology and environment for a beautiful China by complying with the industry's best standards for its environmental protection projects to ensure safe production, green operation, and compliant emission. Everbright Environment was awarded twice the Luban Prize, the highest recognition in China's construction industry. It is the first environmental enterprise in China that opens its environmental protection facilities for public visits, and it also has the largest number of facilities open to the public. It has developed China's first fenceless, fully open project that is located within the residential communities and equipped with public amenities, which is now the living room of the city, benefiting the neighborhood. The same project was included in the compilation of most challenging projects since the 18th CPC National Congress, composed by the Organization Department of the Central Committee of the CPC, and also in the first batch of the primary contact points for the key projects of the Central Commission for guiding cultural and ethical progress. To date, the company's designed daily waste processing capacity reaches approximately 140,000 tons. Designed annual biomass material processing capacity exceeds 8 million tons. Designed annual hazardous waste processing capacity exceeds 2.8 million tons. Designed daily water treatment capacity exceeds 6.5 million cubic meters. Over the years, Everbright Environment has been leading the industry. With 3 listed companies and 8 business sectors, the company demonstrates clear competitive advantages and strong development momentum. Environmental Energy has become the world's largest waste-to-energy investor and operator, taking a leading position in terms of business scale, efficiency, and quality. Everbright Green Tech, listed in Hong Kong, is a first-class investor and operator in China, specializing in integrated biomass utilization, hazardous waste treatment, and environmental remediation. Everbright Water, dual listed in Singapore and Hong Kong, is a first-class water environment management service provider in China. Equipment Manufacturing is a backbone environmental protection equipment R&D institute and manufacturing service provider in China. The self-developed 850-ton and 1,000-ton large household waste grate furnaces have filled the gap in the domestic market and received the Technological Advancement Award granted by the Ministry of Ecology and Environment of China. Eco-Recycling is positioned to become the first-class investor and operator dedicated to waste sorting and resource recycling in China. It has developed the 5 points in one-line process and business model for waste sorting. Greenergy upholds the development philosophy of healthy, energy-saving, and intelligent lighting, and focuses on the R&D and manufacturing of energy-saving lighting products, urban streetlight upgrading, and urban outdoor lighting projects. Everbright New Sodium Lamp, lighting the way home. Envirotech aims to shape the future through innovation and creation, leveraging on its 4-in-1 technological innovation and R&D layout. It attaches great attention to the industrial academic collaborations, targeting to become a world-class center dedicated to green technological innovation and technological conversion. Environmental planning, positioned to become a first-class planning and design institute in China, provides support to the ecological and environmental management, zero-waste cities, as well as action plans relating to carbon neutrality. As a leading player in the environmental protection industry, Everbright Environment participates in developing domestic and international industrial standards. Everbright Environment collaborated with Columbia University to develop global guidelines for waste-to-energy projects. It partnered with Zhejiang University to establish the National Engineering Lab of Waste Incineration Technology. The company collaborated with Qingdao University of Technology to jointly launch an Environmental Technology Research Institute and a dioxin analysis and detection center. It also established China Everbright Green Technology Innovation Institute in Hong Kong. Everbright Environment has received numerous accolades due to its outstanding contributions and achievements. The second Ecological Civilization Award, a constituent stock of Dow Jones Sustainable Development Indices, a constituent stock of FTSE4 Good Index Outstanding Enterprise Award in response to climate change. Most honored company in Asia, one of the top 10 firms with highest corporate governance index scores in Hong Kong. Mr. Wang Tianyi, chairman of the board of the company, was named as the 2018-2019 Green China Person of the Year, in addition to Asia's Best CEO for 3 consecutive years. One shall set sail in the wind to take advantage and ride the rolling waves to stay ahead. Everbright Environment will firmly adhere to its aspiration and mission, as well as fulfill its responsibility. It will carry out the 3587 development strategy, which includes focusing on 3 major business areas, enhancing 5 major capabilities, cultivating 8 business sectors, and solidifying 7 aspects of safeguards. The company will continue to promote innovation-driven transformation and high-quality development, striving to become a world-leading ecological environment group. It will contribute Everbright's effort to the comprehensive transformation of economic and social development into a green model. Everbright Environment, devoted to ecology and environment for a beautiful China.
On September 10, 2020, officially completed the change of its name into China Everbright Environment Group Limited to further cement its original aspiration and mission to the ecological environment, and to enhance the brand value. Currently, Everbright Environment has already successfully become a carbon-negative enterprise. It will continue its established development strategy, enhancing its policy, research, development and innovation related to peak carbon emissions and carbon neutral, in order to help achieve green and low-carbon development and contributing to national environmental protection cause. While the group focuses on the high-quality development of its businesses, including waste to energy, it also proactively expands its presence in new business areas such as waste sorting, resource recycling and energy-saving lighting. As a responsible corporate citizen, Everbright Environment is devoted to reducing the operational impacts brought to the environment and natural resources. The company is committed to ensuring that its operations adhere to the requirements of national standards and international financial institutions such as ADB. It strictly applies its corporate policy on environmental management as a gatekeeper on environmental management of all projects. Everbright Environment has also set up the Safety and Environmental Management Committee, strictly follows various environmental and safety systems, and strives to promote ISO 14001 environmental management system across the company's operating projects, in order to further improve the efficiency and reliability of the environmental monitoring work.